It was a great class.
Class was amazing. Learned a lot of new tricks.
Oh, it was so awesome. Very inspiring.
Amazing. It was amazing for me. I'm still at like the assistant level and I got to witness 4 haircuts that I've never seen before in my life.
Oh, the class was amazing today. I really loved the class.
The class was an amazing ROI.
I feel like it was a very efficient way to solve problems in salon reality, and I think a lot of people are asking for looks like this right now, and I think it's a really great, efficient way to get there.
Class was incredible. I think I've been very fortunate to see on work before, but to have them explain detail by detail was really, really incredible.
Him having a modular way of creating certain looks with different lengths.
Every haircut that he did had a purpose, and you can see how it came out to be at the end.
I think for me, styling.
I love the vibe that it's relaxed, it's friendly.
My favorite part was all of the techniques really filled my expectations for today.
Honestly, I think it was just learning the undercuts and the different tricks between, going from really long hair to kind of long hair to a bob and then like a bob, and all the different variations of how to connect that underneath part with the top part and just have all the hair flow.
Seeing how he basically uses the same techniques on every single haircut, but they all look really different and they were all finished really different.
So horizontal cutting.
A lot of layering that I didn't know I could do.
I love the undercut idea. I mean, you pretty much did it with every haircut and it made such a difference. I'm going to apply all the techniques, undercuts, concave layers.
I'm going to for sure start using the new wave, 100%.
I will certainly be using both undercuts that I learned today.
The undercut was probably, to me, the most aha, because it's something that we've done before, but the way he puts it together and combines it with the layering is what gives me like the wow. I want to try that on mostly all my clients.
Absolutely, and even like new upcoming stylists, new assistants, and maybe just inspiration for the people that are still a student.
Yes, to everyone, do it. You won't regret it, I promise.
Definitely, yeah. I'm gonna go home and tell my coworkers.
Oh, 1000%. He's so open to making sure that everyone got all the information they needed. So yes, 100%. I learned so much today. I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
Yeah, everyone.
Absolutely. I think that in order to be current and modern, I think that taking a class like this was very helpful. So definitely worth it.
Absolutely. I think this class is good for everyone. And you know what I like about this class too? It could be from someone that is just starting out and someone that's super, super experienced.
Very amazing, inspiring.
Epic.
Inspiring.
It's worth it because you're worth it.
Outstanding.
10 out of 10.
I think it's wow, and I think it's refreshing, really refreshing.